Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello, my beautiful people. How una dey? Una happy weekend. I greet the house. My people, get one video where I see. I want just talk about this video now. Our sister do this video. Jama First Lady. I see the video. They talk about one of our sister. We don't marry for Igbo, then come born one pikin. So as I watch that video, I can't listen well, really, because I just sit down, just listen well. As I see this video, I say, okay, me, I still put my own opinion, my own opinion for some of our women, where this thing they happen to. About the video, I'll still play and small now. We hear the story of the lady. Because wetin me I see for this video, wetin make me put my mouth, some of our women, they true they pass through this kind of issue where this lady, this our sister talk about. When I was still listening for my own, as I listen to that video, say this woman don't fit marry Oyibo, so he born one pikin for her. So no, na marriage not come go again. So they divorce. So this our sister come see another person wey wan follow, come be our black. So now still listening, come be our black. So I believe say the black man know say this lady get pikin for Igbo. Okay, wetin come be the issue now? Now I'll play am for now. Me I fit just talk and then I'll still listening to the video where Jama First Lady do. The man come say may return that pikin, may return that Oyibo pikin. You know wetin make me just come out? I want just talk to some of our people. It dey happen for black, it still dey happen for for women side, it still dey happen for men side. But for me, as I listen to that video, I dey very, very shocked. You know why? Because for person, a man to tell you say, before our marriage go get head, or before I go marry you, the pikin where you don't fair born, may you return her. That thing, if I just listen, the thing just shocked me. My brothers and sisters, especially our women, me I tell you, don't let any man tell you say pikin where you don't fair get. If you know say this our marriage go work, may you go give it papa. My sister, if you do that thing, you dey make a very big mistake. Now big mistake now you make for your life. You know why? Your pikin remain your pikin. No matter how, it go dey there for you. It go dey there for you, your husband. If he say don't see Onisanofio, why it go abandon you, carry another one. But your pikin go dey there for you. Come Ray, come son, it go dey there for you. No let any man deceive you, say, I love you, but because of say you don't fair born and I don't need your pikin for your life. That one not dey possible. Egba, your pikin go dey your life forever and ever. Before you go leave this earth, your pikin go dey there for you. Because not because of any man. Not because of any man. Say because of pikin where you don't fair born, the man say he too love you, but because of that pikin, he no fit stay with you. My sister, if he no fit stay with you, open door for her. Tell her may they go, because he know say you don't fair born before. He know say you don't fair born before. If you love me, you love wetin they follow me. If you not love me, not love wetin they follow me. Simple as ABC. It dey happen. I dey hear many things where they happen. I know too much they get time to they talk about all these things, but I just see this one say no. Let me talk about it. It not be saying because of saying that or that pikin now Igbo na make am say may return, and you go use your mouth tell woman say may return the pikin wey don't fair born. then before me with you go marry, or before this our relationship go ahead, it go get head. Because you know say don't fair born. If not, even though say the woman not tell you say I don't fair born, but later you can't know. You feel tell and say okay I know they do again, but not tell any woman say you they offend the woman, you they offend down. It's a very now very I don't know as I take talk can. Woman wey carry pikin for 9 months, or let's say the woman e no get feeling. You know say not be all mother get feeling of children, not be all mother. Now because of maybe waiting that they pass through for their brain. Because woman wey really carry pikin for 9 months, e call born now. When night e go come, e go get up, e go give am breast. E no dey sleep for night till that pikin go reach like 4 months. The woman heavier say you can't tell that kind of woman say because of say you love am, may go return the pikin go give your husband before now. No. Any man wey dey do that kind of thing, my sister, I beg, just know say that marriage where you want go marry her, e no go work. E no go work. Because if you love me, love wetin dey follow me join now. Because person man wey love woman, e no dey care whether you get 2 or 3 children. E no care. Because he don't love you, he go still love your children join now. Now man wey no love person, now they talk say comot this one, put this one not like am like this. If you love me, love wetin dey follow me, they go. I said, just see the video, the thing just touch me. Now I said, no, because of say this pikin na Igbo, even though say na black, na that woman still born the pikin for. The same thing, na the man go still do. So may dey like that. You go say you don't need woman wey don't fair born. If you know say you don't need woman wey don't fair born, no go friend down, even though say you want tell and say you want marry yourself. Not be by force. Say you must marry woman wey don't fair get pikin. Some people they not care whether you don't fair get pikin. Why some day go just say any woman wey don't fair born, I not need them. Because I don't want me I dey on my own with my woman. That one a normal thing. You find person wey still be like that, but not go carry woman wey don't fair born. You can't tell and say before me with you go just really say we want settle down marry. Fair return your pikin. No. That one a insult. Na big insult. You know they tell and say may go return the cloth wey don't fair wear, pikin wey born, wey carry for 9 months, wey born, may return her because he say he see cassava wey the sweet am. Any woman where they do that kind of thing, the end of your day, no cry come out because anything where you do pikin. Because our children, then they're very intelligent. Even the one where they Nigeria, then they're very intelligent. Sometimes I say the one where you born for a year. The one where, because if you don't know want to talk to you, no one answer you, no one tell you, say, Mom, I they see what you they do. It there for inside brain. It go say, so you choose man, you leave me, you dump me, where be your blood. That pikin, be your blood, not be that man. Man, they come, then they go. Pikin go dead there forever. Till when you go old, it go dead there for you. It go dead there for you. No man go tell you say no man are not listening to any man when they talk that thing. Just tell and say may not enter your house again. Say I beg, this our relationship. You know get head. Just carry your bag and may you they go. You know go get head because that pikin there for your life. Anytime we want day birthday, you go day present. Anytime we want do anything, you go present for there. So that means that marriage one I want do, you know go get head. So for you not to make another mistake, you just suffer. Find man wey don't fair born or man wey go love your pikin. Join now. Man wey go love you, love the waiting they follow you, join now. As it there for women side, now say still there for men side though. So women then they go say you just love this man. You go say you love and go say but the man don't fair born. But this your pikin be like say they disturb us, may go meet him mama. Some people see they, some women see they do that kind of thing. My brother, if you be that kind person where wife, woman they tell you because maybe you never marry her, he tell you say this your pikin they disturb us, may go meet him mama. Tell her say first of all, now your pikin be number 1 for your life. Now your pikin be your number 1 for your life. Then the second go come be woman where you marry. Now some me I dey talk my thing like me, my children be number 1 for my life. Then my husband will come follow. Now so it be. Na so it be. Because pikin where I born today, or pikin where I born 20 years ago, you know, can't use and take compare the one where I want born today. No. You know, can't use and compare them. Don't be the same. The age don't, you know. So, my brothers and sisters, now as it be for man side, now so it be for woman side. As I see this video where our sister do, the thing just touch me. Now say, may I still choke my mouth for this thing. Because all these things that they like me, I they talk about them. They take because some of our women really then they do and go say, okay, I know what I want to do because of the love where I get for that man. Go really carry the pikin, go give the husband, go give the ex-husband. You they wrong, my sister, not trying. Now so you still be for our brother side. Not trying, not let any woman tell you say return your pikin, go back before me and you go settle down. Any man or woman will tell you that thing, open your door for her. Tell her, say, this story, this our friendship, it don't end today. It don't end today. You go see another person where go love you, my sister or my brother. Where love you, waiting, they follow you, they go. Even don't say, now want you, now one picking you born, now two you born, now three you born. If he accept you, he go accept your children. If he not accept you, he know if he accept your children, because now so it be. If he not love you, not love your children. Because you know before you enter there. If you don't know, that one a different case. But when you know, say, see where till you want go pass through. Or you go accept, as you go accept, say, okay, I don't accept. If you don't want to accept, you go just suffering. Carry your thing, they come out. As I hear the video, the thing just make me want to now say, not because of saying now Igbo, because of maybe they waka, they go, they look and say, not being born the Igbo pikin. Oh, Igbo pikin not be pikin. Now pikin, or more. Pikin na pikin. As I say now you born that you don't carry am for your belly. Even some people, even they say, when they not even carry for the belly, when they are adult, they do it like their own blood. Talk like I say, the one where you just born. Person you can't tell you, say, may you return her because of saying I love that. The love where your pikin get for you, that man not get am for you. If any small thing just happen now, that man they run, they go. You know, see him. You know, see break light again. But your pikin go dead there forever for you. He go dead there for you. So, my brothers and sisters, more than not, they make this mistake. Don't let any love enter your brain. Say you want to return your pikin because of say na love, na the love na come dey sweet you so. Don't let am enter. Go remember that 9 months when you take carry your pikin. Go remember that night when you know they sleep, when they give am breast. Go remember the day when you call you say mommy or mama. Go remember that day. Go remember the day where you carry am for the first time. Go control everything for your body. That is go take am to treatment or everything. Go remember that all that thing. Which man, which love go enter your brain, go make you forget all these things where you pass. No let anybody, any man deceive una, especially the women. Your first thing for this life now, your children, picking where you born, that be your first thing. And let them be your number one for life. Not be your husband, be your number one. The children where you born, that be your number one. They are your blood. You carry them. Any man will tell you, say, I love you, but because of your children, I no fit stay. My sister, tell her, say, you don't hear. See the door for there. I mean, she come a prima. I go one buy. Friends as before. May they carry bagali, they go. Now, so me, I they talk my own. I don't know. This one is my opinion. For me, my children, I be number one. Before any other thing. Before any other thing. Don't let any man deceive you. Now, so it still be for men. Don't let that woman tell you, say, hey, I too love you, but your children, they disturb us for inside house. Make them go, they stay with their mama. I not fit marry you again. I not fit do this one. No, there are many fishes in the river. Why me who you go see another woman carry, you go see another man will go carry you. But your children. Now, no children where you want born from that man where you can't be say it be like no, it not there. So my brothers and sisters, maybe if I still get sometimes, I still see some video, I still talk about my opinion. This one is my opinion. But normally, that's so it's supposed to be. That's so it's supposed to be, because if you don't enter that marriage, kata go come, because you don't feel bon. Since the man don't tell you, say, return your pikin before we go get married, or before this our relationship go get head, and you true go return her, my sister, hey, tomorrow if your pikin wan do birthday, e just come una house, the eye wey the man go take dey look you, or you know all these things, if you don fair born, man don fair tell you something, that marriage, e not just do am, not do am because e no get head, e no go get head. Pikin na pikin, you born for Igbo, you born for Jello, you born for Dakio, you born for anyone or more, pikin na pikin. Pikin na pikin. All these things wey person dey talk say you born for Igbo, you born for Black, pikin na pikin, cannot marry like ogboe. Now where good for you, na be your house. If Igbo good for you, good, na there be your place. If na Black you marry good for you, na there be your place. So pikin na pikin. So my brothers and sisters, I play the video, more than just listening to our sister.
This video, like, we need to quickly reach 100 like right now. One of our beautiful sister, like our own sister, get husband, yeah, this one not be tell me, I tell you, this one a direct matter me and they tell una here, so no be that one say this one are from the horse's mouth, bring her for us, and that they bring her here for now right now. Okay, so this our beautiful sister, now what did they happen for her house? Now we dey here to talk about the day for this country. When I did this, our sister married Igbo before, married Dutchman before, and he and this Dutchman, she and the Dutchman no dey again, but they don't born one pikin. Okay, so now you know life must move on. The 30-something years, yes, life go on. You go need to marry, you go need to born again and all that. So this our sister can't get our Black boy. Yeah, you get this Black boy now. They don't they date, they love each other, they like each other. They don't even that pikin before they give this our sister, they go court put, because the pikin, the man they say they want career. The woman na want carry una know na woman must carry, even though say the pikin have cars or whatever. No, so the woman na carry the pikin, but the man be dragged so hard, make the pikin dey with her, make our Nigerian sister go like that. It don't work. So they can't finally judge the whole thing, give this pikin to this our sister. Now this our sister, they with this Oyibo Black, our Black brother right now. So only one thing that they bring quarrel for them. This one a true story, and they tell us so for this my country here. Now the man, this our brother say make you return this our beautiful baby, make you go baby. When I mean baby, don't me say now 2 years, 3 years pikin. Make you return this Oyibo pikin, more they call her like that. Oyibo pikin may go give Oyibo, so that made the God that stay, made that they born their own. So they try to settle this matter for inside body, don't call, try to settle, but the matter not they settle. The thing they every time they escalate. Whenever the man, like the man not they happy with the Oyibo pikin when they with them for house. So now this our sister, the matter don't come strong. The quarrel no be here. Husband not they stay again. Husband they like stay outside here. Blah 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 blah. Make it return Igbo pikin to Igbo. So they go date their own. Start to they born their own. If you love me, I born Igbo pikin before. You go accept me, accept my pikin now. You go the shame say me and you they waka white pikin they follow. Now today they start to the same. Many people they do it now. Like it they happen. Many of these people, when you go see, even with white Black children, now because of the Black children Black, you don't know. It go feel be say no be the man get all the children, but go they pack them. But this one they very easy to know. Maybe because the pikin are white, but it really not matter for me. You know, it really not matter. So my people, now this one now bring come, and I want add that vice journal for our women. In as small say we really want to stay for husband house, like so things they will fit do, you know. So Some things they will go fit do. Some things they will not go fit do. Forget about the marriage or whatever, the title or whatever. No, not be everything will go fit take because of one marry. So guys, I beg, like this video and share. Many of our women, they made mistake. You know, like now you they think. Now our sister they reason how you want do one now. Make him carry this pikin wey don't fight put government can't give him. Make it carry her back now. Now she they return her back now to the papa now. Say okay now take. It make any sense to us? Any of us when they watch here, I don't know. That marriage water, that man place in water, or now this man just need to go look for a type. Or look for this kind of men now, you know, not be saying they talk to this our sister and they talk general. Now, most of these men, if you look at just now, paper no dey pocket. Maybe now paper matter, but I don't know me, I just they talk my own, okay? So my people, why we go they behave like that? Why man go come your life, meet you and Oyibo pikin? Why you go? If you love me, why you dey shame? Why you go shame? I married Oyibo before. I married, no be say I carry belle. I can't born pikin. Okay, now you see me at the pikin before you toast me, follow me. But today, matter don't be like this. You say, make I can't return the pikin. Why some men they do like that? Why? And some women, they easily fall for it also. Okay, you call me now. Call my WhatsApp number. Okay? Why some of our men they behave like this? My people, I continue to tell people, just as I tell people when they call me for private, my dear. Any man will go love you, go love your condition. Any man will go love you, go love everything. When he come meet you, the man go love everything together. Yeah. That one a man when he come to love you. That one a man when any man will go come on a life, they give una condition, give una at the first, he said the man don't talk those one. But later the man will come they go, they kind of he don't get on a wiki point or whatever. Which man be that? If the begin now, if not black, he goes, you return her. Definitely not go talk. So if you they shame, you know they're comfortable. And at this kind of thing, they lead to bad thing when you know go they has. God don't let person see bad thing. Like the one will happen for America that day. You go do something. You go cause he say no do. Pikin go be RIP. Yeah. Because you just want to get rid of her. Make it just be not true. Which is not supposed to be like that. Our women now beg me, they beg. Now man they beg person to marry person. That's what me I be no more. But our brother who dey today. Our generation of today. Now we go want to sacrifice everything for us to be with the man. And still yet, we not go get peace. Still yet, they not go love us hard though. Like that kind of love. We not go see them. Yeah? They go still do us anyhow. But we go see they cry follow them. It's not supposed to be like that. So my people. Sorry guys. Why would they do? When they come over us for this abroad? Why you go come meet woman with Oyibo pikin, you say make you return Oyibo pikin? Why now? If na black pikin, they go say make they return her. And the man even get any right at all. The man even get right for her to tell you say return, you need to return the pikin because of if they waka, they go no say na Oyibo pikin, they go no say no be me born now. If na black now, manageable. If na as if be say na white pikin. My sister, I beg, it never reach like that. I got a hungry your cocoa every day. No, they can eat the. There are some things you need to take. There are some things you don't even need to, like, no measure around, brother. No talk and come. Don't let her talk her for mad, not to talk or say what cause they carry shoulder they put. If you know say your mates go, some people they don't like if I turn a black pikin you born. If to say that even though say that black pikin you born, they don't care. They not just want anyone. Just go marry the one we never born at all. That for you to see somebody get pikin. Okay, see that one that day now for Italy. Make you go drop pikin for Nigeria. That one is still black pikin. No, may go. Why una go they do like this? The guy man not ready now. He not ready to marry you. All these condition people. That's why you see a lot of frustrated home in abroad today. A lot. And once they don't enter the frustrated marriage, they go want make everybody come be the same. Whereas it not be like that, because not be my own, be your own. Not be your own, be my own. Imagine this kind of household they get this kind of rule today now. Imagine man when they give you condition for my own pikin. Even though say that come white, it don't matter. But I'm my pikin. If you love me, you go love the pikin. Don't tell me I go give her to Igbo. Make the coconut spoil or pikin when me don't win to keep for myself. I'll call it to return her. For house, no be you they pay. I mean, where you are. I beg my ladies, make we use our sense. In as much marriage good, why not? But get patience. Look for that man. Wait, he go come. Yeah? Pray for that man when God go bring. When he go come to you, love you, go care for you. He need nobody but you. And anything will go give you happiness, because that Oyibo pikin will come meet with you. So they treat her well, go give you happiness. They go they do and nobody even need to tell her. Make we stop to the married men when they give us condition. You don't go like.
Now saw the video, because I know I made too long. It there for, if you want to watch and finish, if you go look out for German First Lady, now there for see the video. So may anybody not make any mistake, picking up picking, because if you do, you go regret later. Why? Because anything where you do small children, then they know that if you no one ask you, but you know what it happen. You know what it happen. Not because of any man, or may you come talk say you never born before. No, because not trying. Remember the day where you get belly, where you dey vomit, or the day where you all these things. May you remember them before you dey. Just best of all, now wait please you, now you go do. If man no say he don't want you because you get pikin, I beg go. No marry that man, because if you marry him, because that pikin don't dey there. Anytime where your pikin come greet you for house, problem go dey. Anytime where you see your pikin, problem go dey. So the best thing, marry person wey love you, wey love your pikin. Now so me I see, and that one na my opinion. I agree the house from Untouchable Mama. Goodbye, my brothers and sisters.